This is Shash from Linx Digital, and in today's video, we're going to talk about how you can get a lot more user-generated content, also known as UGC, from your email marketing list. And then you can use that UGC marketing for obviously your emails, your ads, for your website, and for so many things. This is golden, golden, golden. And we have Ryan from Email All-Stars. He works with a lot of e-commerce stores, I believe over 500 plus. He's a Klaviyo Platinum partner. So Ryan, welcome.
Thank you, Shash, for having me. And I am super excited because this is one of the areas of email marketing where it can be so insanely valuable if you do this right and you get these pieces of content. But a lot of people really just don't take action on this. So getting user-generated content with email marketing is one of the easiest things you can do for your e-commerce store. And before I even get into the strategies for how you can start getting this sort of content that you can then use for your ads and use for all your creatives and how to get more reviews, I want you to just think for a second. How much is one really good testimonial video worth for your business? Just think about that for a second. If you could pay one of your random customers to shoot a really good testimonial video, that would probably be worth hundreds, if not maybe $1,000 to get a really amazing testimonial video that you can then mix into your ads, put on your website. This is really insanely useful stuff. And you can basically get these videos for close to free, maybe not quite free, but you can get them for a very, very small price if you do it right with email marketing. So I'm going to walk you through one of the most common flows that me and my team sets up for our e-commerce clients. And this is a flow that we call like a UGC generation flow. How it works. In Klaviyo, we have a split set up for when people purchase 2 or more times of the same product from an e-commerce store. If they just purchase for the first time, they get one email flow that just thanks them for their purchase, etc. But if they come back to your store and they buy again, this is likely someone who really likes your products. So what we trigger for some of our clients is we send out an email that gives them a very basic pitch. It says, hey, thank you so much for purchasing again. We're really glad that you love our products. What we're really looking to do is just get more videos of people actually using our products and get more photos of our products. So what we'd like to offer you is we will give you like a $50 Amazon gift card if you send us just a short, like 30-second to 1-minute video of you just talking about our products and just email it over to our support team, and then we'll email you the gift card. If you're going to send us this video, you have to consent to us actually using it in our ads. So as long as you're okay with that, then please send us this video and we'd be happy to send you over that gift card. That's just such a simple little email sequence. And I mean, most of your customers, they might see like a $50 Amazon gift card and think, wow, $50 for just a 30-second video? Yeah, why not? I mean, it doesn't have to be an Amazon gift card, but that's usually the thing that really gets people excited. I mean, who doesn't love Amazon gift cards? So if you set up this email sequence and set up a trickle to go out, then you're going to just slowly start building up some UGC content. Your support team will have to go and sort through any videos you get and just make sure that they're up to snuff and make sure that the people actually confirm you can use their photos and the videos in your ads. But once you have that, then you're just going to get a trickle of these videos coming in, maybe 1 to 5 a month. And that's going to really help you build out your ad strategies. Shash over here is one of the experts on YouTube ad strategy, and he can probably talk a lot about how hard it is to get great UGC for ads. So hopefully this is something that can really help you out with building that.
Absolutely. UGC or user-generated content is amazing for ads because if you have a ton of different video testimonials, you can run them as retargeting ads. You can add them into your cold traffic ads. One of the best ads we had for one of our clients that generated millions of dollars had a 30-second testimonial clipped in there. So it's really important to get those testimonials from your clients. And these email marketing strategies are really going to bring a lot of value to your business. Those assets are extremely priceless. Even in my business, testimonials have been massive. I've literally had people be like, you're hired just because I saw this testimonial and I like it. That's literally what we've had at our agency because we've had certain testimonials. So it's really important to have a great strategy for getting those testimonials or even getting, let's say, user-generated videos in terms of how to use the product. It's basically, think of it as getting pretty much influencer videos done for way cheaper, right? That you can then use it in your ads because people just send in videos of them using the product and it's just incredibly valuable. So guys, if you have an e-commerce store, there'll be a link below to book a call with Ryan's team. to get a free email marketing audit. They can set up UGC flows, they can set up all kinds of flows and really just help you squeeze more revenue out of your email list. So for that free audit, there'll be a link in the description. So go check that out. And I'll tell you, as an advertiser, I love it when my clients work with people like Ryan, because it allows us to scale our ads even further, because we usually can now make more revenue per click. So it actually helps a lot with your paid advertising, where if you have a really good customer value because you have great email marketing, you can actually scale your ads 2 or 3 times higher. So it's really important that e-commerce email marketing is a big part of your strategy. So guys, thanks for watching the video, and please hit that like button, gently press it, do whatever you like with it, but please do something with that like button.
Don't let that like button go without you doing something to it at the end of this video.